We got a noisy street sign blowing in the wind every time, just making a whole bunch of racket. Wanted to show you how I can quiet this right down real fast. Rubber pieces in between here. Use them up higher after the piano won't make as much noise here at the top. Right where that is the rubber pieces. And I can push on it. No more noise. So we'll make any more noise in the wind. I don't know why they don't do something like that when they install these, but that's done deal. Nice and quiet. You could use almost anything for this. What I wound up using was some pieces of silicone repair tape that I showed you that I used for leaks before. It's some very nice stuff to have. I'll put a link in the description below. That quieted this right down. I had some old pieces of it left over in my bag. It just rolled it up and stuck one in each side on the right and left side on the bottom of the top of where this is bolted to the pole. Done deal. Nice and quiet. For more in-depth articles, check out the Kung Fu Maintenance blog at blog.kungfumaintenance.com. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.